The heat and humidity is back in place, and yesterday it was enough to get some big thunderstorms going across the region. Now, most of the morning has been quiet, but we could see some more of those thunderstorms developing a little later on this afternoon. Out in the tropics, though, we're still watching a disturbance that's over the western part of the Caribbean, although it's not looking as impressive today as what we were seeing yesterday. It's a broad area of low pressure off to the west of Jamaica, and it looks a little more elongated today and possibly just becoming a bit of a trough, and it's located right about in here, but the entire area is expected to drift off toward the north and into an area a little less favorable for development, as we've got some strong upper level winds coming in out of the west, and of course Cuba's in the way, so if it does drift over land, we won't see any development there. So over the next 48 hours, about a 2 in 10 chance that we'll see this becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm. Again, the heat is on. Temperatures today are going to climb back into the upper 90s, and that'll be enough to get some big thunderstorms going across Acadiana. Some of those could bring some gusty winds, and also some small hail will be possible, a lot like what we saw yesterday. But those will kick off probably during the mid-afternoon hours once our temperatures start to climb back into the lower to middle 90s. There is a bit more of a disturbance that's a little bit farther to the east here in the upper levels over around Mobile, and that will be drifting off toward the west and should reach the area, helping to get those thunderstorms going later this afternoon. So temperatures are already approaching the 90s. We'll probably hit the upper 90s with the scattered showers and storms coming into play. Those will diminish as we head into the evening hours, and overnight we should see clearing skies. Tomorrow morning we'll start out with partly cloudy skies. Looks like about a 30% chance for scattered storms developing again during the afternoon. So for today we'll go up to 97 with a 40% chance for afternoon storms. Some of those could be severe, so be on the lookout for that. Overnight, some storms during the evening, then clearing after midnight as lows will drop into the mid-70s. Tomorrow, hot, humid, a 30% chance for storms with a high of 93. We'll see the rains kind of tapering off a little bit, especially toward the weekend. Temperatures, though, remaining rather hot with highs in the mid-90s and overnight low temperatures in the 70s. So be on the lookout for some thunderstorms as the daytime heating kicks in. A few of those could be strong or severe, with gusty winds and possibly some hail being the main threat. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker in the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Thanks for visiting KATC.com.